In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up the Webull desktop app. Whether you're trading stocks or just interested in keeping up with the market, having quick and easy access to Webull on your desktop can make a big difference. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Webull website using your computer. This is where you'll find everything you need to get started. Once you're on the site, you'll want to select the appropriate version for your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux, ensure you're choosing the right one to avoid any compatibility issues down the line. Now go ahead and click the download button. This will initiate the download of the Webull desktop app installer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two, so be patient. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. It's usually in your downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Open the installer file to begin setting up the app. You'll then be prompted to follow the setup instructions. This process is straightforward, with the installer guiding you through each necessary step. Simply click Next whenever prompted to move forward in the setup process. During this stage, you have the option to create a desktop shortcut. This can be handy if you want quick access to the app, so consider checking that box before moving on. After making your selections, click Install to begin the installation process. This might take a few moments, so just sit back and let the installer do its thing. Once the installation is complete, you're almost ready to start using Webull. Now open the Webull desktop app. If you opted for a desktop shortcut, you'll find it there. Otherwise, you can search for it in your applications. When the app launches, you'll need to sign in to your account. Enter your login details, and once you're in, you can start exploring all the features Webull has to offer. And there you have it. That's how to set up the Webull desktop app. With this app installed, you're all set to track your investments and make informed decisions right from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.